Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt from Chuck Journal July 2025, which is stripes, and we are working on this page today. So we're starting a new section and we have stripes and secret note. So I'm going to try kind of combine the theming a little bit for these two. So with stripes always make me think of my mother because she loves stripes on clothes. She just loves them. Anytime she sees a stripy top, she has to get it. So I'm going to make a spread inspired by my mother. The next thing she loves is hydrangea flowers. So I'm going to do stripes and hydrangea flowers. And then I want to include the hydrangeas on my next page for secret note. So this is what I have done for stripes. It's subtle, the stripes, I think, and then I just done some collaging. Since stripes always make me think of my mother, I wanted to just use it as a background and then add elements of other things that make me think of my mother. So hydrangeas, she's obsessed with those are her favorite flower. And then she spends the majority of the year, about 9 months of the year, in Spain, drinking wine, reading books and just having a lovely time. So I wanted to include some elements of that. And then she drinks a lot of tea, and that also brings in my Regency element a bit, kind of. I might be reaching again, but I'm very happy with that spread, and it's another simple collage. So we're going to do something a bit more elaborate tomorrow for secret note. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.